everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to hide the Mail app from the home screen on your iPhone. If you want your screen to look cleaner and more organized, or you simply don't like seeing mail constantly in front of your eyes, this trick will help you a lot. And the best part? The app won't be deleted, just temporarily hidden. First, find and open Settings on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Screen Time section. When you find it, tap on it. Inside this section, look for Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on it. If this option isn't enabled, turn it on by toggling the switch. Once that's done, you'll see various options here. Find Allowed Apps and tap on it. When you enter, you'll see a list of apps that are currently allowed. All you need to do is find Mail on the list and toggle the switch next to it off. Once you do this, Mail will immediately disappear from the home screen and won't be visible until you turn this option back on. Now you can return to your home screen and you'll see that Mail is no longer there. The app has been successfully hidden and cannot be opened until it's re-enabled through Screen Time settings. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.